Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Ew. Mm. They are a little... Yet again, America's sweetheart comes through. Hello guys, today we are doing a video that I have wanted to do for so long. We are going to be taste testing ghost kitchens today. In case you don't know what a ghost kitchen is, it is basically, you know what? I do not know the definition. It's a very broad term, but it's also known as a cloud kitchen, ghost kitchens. Basically, people, usually influencers and celebrities from what I've seen, will make a restaurant, but without having to actually make a restaurant. They can either use a kitchen that is not being utilized currently or an already existing restaurant and just make a little kitchen out of it. I've even seen places where you can go into a room, order off a tablet. There's 30 restaurants to pick from and you can have any food you can imagine. It's pretty wild. So today we are gonna be taste testing Mr. Beast's burgers, Guy Fieri's Flavortown, welcome to Flavortown, crispy rice, and Mariah's Cookies, aka Mariah Carey's Cookies. Let's get into it. Oh, also before I start, I'm gonna be trying half on YouTube and half on TikTok. My TikTok will be linked down below if you guys want part 2. First up, Mr. Beast's burgers. After researching for this video, unfortunately, Mr. Beast is not grilling these burgers in his kitchen for us. Everyone comment down below where you think these burgers are coming from. 3, 2, 1, Red Robin. Yes, you heard me right. And you just happen to have Red Robin's biggest fan sitting right here in this chair, probably one of their only fans, the Freckled Lemonade, the seasoned fries. I am such a fan, and so when I found this out, I was very excited. In the depths of quarantine, I would really just crave an Impossible Burger from Red Robin, and I would get it delivered here, and it really just kept me going. Haven't had it since then. All right, we've got a plethora of choices here. Oh, look at that packaging. Very cute little sticker, Mr. Beast. Wow, I'm ravenous also. I cannot wait to eat this. And we got ketchup, of course. As I said, part 2 will be on TikTok, check that out. But today we are trying these 3 beautiful boxes here. First up, oh, okay, this burger intrigued me. This is called the Chris style burger. Oh, they seem to be a smash burger. We've got a little crispy edge here at the bottom. Smash burgers are my favorite. This looks like it has fries, cheese, meat. I don't see a sauce. Points knocked off for that. Bacon, my mouth is watering. And the fun part of this is there is fries on the burger. All right, we've got a crinkle cut fry, but with Red Robin seasoning, and I love a Red Robin fry, so that's very exciting. You know what, I'm just gonna dig into this one at a time. Let's go, big bite. That's pretty damn good. I must say, obviously, oh, also you have to get all these foods delivered because they're not actual restaurants. So it did get a little soggy in transit. This is giving me my breakfast burger vibes, my favorite breakfast burger, as you guys know, if you watched the Drunchies episode. It's got the hash brown thing going on, bacon, the meat, cheese. It's just missing a sunny side up egg, and you can make this a breakfast burger, Mr. Beast, and I promise you, it would do very well. I give that a 7 out of 10. I think a 7.5 if it were fresh. Then we have the chicken sandwich, which I will say, not a huge chicken sandwich fan. I always opt for a burger when I have the choice, but we have this bad girl right here. It looks like we have some crispy chicken tenders with some hot sauce, iceberg lettuce, which I hate iceberg lettuce, and then maybe some sort of sauce it looks like. This looks a little plain. It looks a little dry. I think it could have used a ranch sauce, blue cheese sauce. I don't know, just something creamy, but let's give her a try, shall we? I'm gonna be honest, this looks not good at all. Oh! I found pickles and mayo. This is better than the burger. I've got it all over my face. That chicken is crunchy. The spiciness is perfect. I could go without the iceberg just because I don't like it, but honestly, one of the better chicken sandwiches I've had. And a lesson to not judge a book by its cover. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10, and I would give it a 9 if it had been fresh. That is really good. Last but not least, we have what seems to be their version. Ew, what is this? I thought this was going to be their version of animal style fries, from In-N-Out. Oh, I just read it wrong. These are seasoned crinkled fries with caramelized onions, American cheese, pickles, mayo, ketchup, and mustard. I thought it was gonna be a Thousand Island. Mustard on my fries don't sound good. This doesn't look very good, but no. I think this is something that absolutely needs to be eaten fresh. It's gotten soggy in travel. All the sauces made it soggy. I don't know why there's pickles on my fries, but the fry itself is decent. Soggy, but decent. I give this a 4 out of 10. Next up, we have crispy Crispy Rice, which this is a place that I've been wanting to try for so long, and my day has finally come. Oh, I smell the truffle. Wow. I feel like more recently in sushi culture, Crispy Rice has like taken off like crazy, but I also do think it's another thing that is quite volatile that you need to eat while it's fresh. So I love the idea of getting it delivered to my house. Don't know how good it's gonna be. And also sushi and getting it delivered, it has to be fresh. You have to eat it quickly. So let's see. We've got a cute little box here. It comes with cute little chopsticks, which I love the little marketing and the design here. Very cute. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. I mean, she looks cute. I mean, it smells good. Let's see what comes in this box. We've got, this is the Just Crispy box. So it comes with 2 pieces of spicy tuna crispy rice, 2 of the salmon and yuzu crispy rice, 2 spicy hamachi and wasabi, which is yellowtail, and then 2 truffle avocado crispy rice, and then 2 crispy fried shrimp. Wait, it says 3. They only gave me 2. Crispy rice, come on. I'm gonna try the shrimp first. This was just delivered and it is cold, but not bad, not good. I'm not a huge fan of a panko crusted shrimp. I like more of like a traditional tempura style, and to dip it in tartar sauce is a little weird, but I've had worse. Okay, let's break into these. Oh, let's break into these. Woo, soy sauce, very cute. Oh no, I'm getting sauces all over my shirt. Soy sauce in. Again, I really like their little packaging, super cute. Let's give them a try, shall we? I'm gonna start with the hamachi. We'll go down a line. Little soy, dip, dip. Dip, dip, like the little baby from TikTok. Dip, dip. Nothing about this rice is crispy. When I have a crispy rice, I like it to be fried all the way around, but if you can see, only the top and the bottom are fried, and the sides are still squishy. There's a lot of rice. It's not crunchy at all. I'm gonna try the salmon. No crunch. All right, I'm gonna try one more. I'm gonna give the spicy tuna a try because obviously that's what they're well known for. Nope, it's not even spicy. No. I give this a 3 out of 10, and that's being kind of generous. Again, maybe when they're fresher, they're better, but this does not do well in transit. They don't have a restaurant. You have to order it and get it delivered. Do not waste your money on this. I paid just as much for this as I do for sugarfish, and sugarfish is significantly better if you're in the LA area. Do not get this. This made me sad. It was bad. Ooh, on to the next. I want something sweet now. Moving on, we have, I'm gonna be fully honest, I've tried this before. 2 years ago during Vlogmas, I really wanted a cookie. I looked online and something called Mariahs Cookies was on my Postmates, and I was so excited, and I realized Mariah Carey has a cookie shop. We got the cookies and ate them and thought they were the most delectable, delicious cookies we've ever had in our lives. We have Mariahs Cookies here today. Woo!
Okay, I want to try this one first, the toffee one.
I love anything toffee.
Holy shit.
That's all good?
Yes.
Mariah Carey was putting her whole Christmas ussy into these cookies. We couldn't believe that Mariah handcrafted these so perfectly sent from Santa's workshop, only to find out when we looked up the address, they came from Buca di Beppo. If you don't know what a Buca di Beppo is, it is a chain Italian restaurant far less superior than Olive Garden. Not even, can't hold a candle to Olive Garden. So to find out that these delectable little treats came from such a mediocre establishment blew my mind. But I'm curious to see if Miss Mariah's Cookies still have it. First off, what I do like about these is, I mean, while I would love to have a cookie fresh out of the oven, it doesn't necessarily have to be good. So I feel like gonna be a little bit of an easier grade with these. Now, I don't know when Buca di Beppo made these cookies today, but I love the packaging and the little box. It looks like Miss Mimi just like handcrafted this herself, gave it a little kiss on the lips. And I got the little 6-pack of cookies, and there are 6 flavors. So I will lay them all out for us now. Oh, I remember this was the good one. They are a little, that's okay though. I think this is almost better because I've experienced them before and I can tell you whether or not the quality has gone down over the years. So flavor-wise, we have chocolate chunk, triple chocolate chunk, Heath bar, I love a Heath bar, lemon cooler, spiced oatmeal raisin, and then white chocolate cranberry. Let me just preface by saying I am not an oatmeal raisin nor a white chocolate fan, but I'm going to try my best to give them a good review. We'll start with the lemon. Is it the best cookie I've ever had? Is it great for when I want a cookie late at night and don't feel like baking? Yes. I like that they're a little crunchy. They're like a crunchy cookie. They're not like cakey or doughy, which is my personal kind of favorite, but they're pretty decent, honestly. Okay, that's lemon. I'm usually a lemon fan. It's pretty good. Let's try the white chocolate cranberry. Oh! Wow! The only thing is it tastes like it should be like a granola bar, but it's not. You know, do with that what you will, but it is good. I like it. Here we have spiced oatmeal raisin. Waft the holiday scents. It is giving Christmas. Of course she needs a Christmas cookie. They're good. Maybe it's also because the idea of Mariah Carey having delicious cookies like doesn't make sense in my mind. So like my expectations are low and they're better than I expected. It's no Levain. It's no Cooking with Remy, best chocolate chip cookie ever recipe, but it'll do. Okay, triple chocolate chunk. They are a little dry. Worst by far. Very dry, brittle, not much going on. Not much depth in the chocolate flavor, but this will be easy to grade. I need a palate cleanser. Regular chocolate chip. I feel like, you know, I know a good standard, so we'll see. Ooh. No. I like the texture. It's like spongier and softer than like the brick one over here. But the depth of flavor, there's not much depth at all. And then the aftertaste is a little bit stale. Last but not least, Heath Bar. Again, giving stale, giving crunchy, giving flavorless. I think I have to say my favorite was either the white chocolate cranberry or the oatmeal, but I think solely because they have things in it that like make it more flavorful and distract from the stale flavor. You know what? I think the last time I tried these, I would have given them like an 8.5, maybe a 9. Currently today, I'm gonna give them a 6.5. Miss Mariah, I would step it up this year. Not good. This has been a roller coaster of a ride thus far. I probably have crumbs all over my face. We're gonna finish off this video with a trip to Flavor Town. Now, I have pretty high expectations because first of all, Guy Fieri might be the most incredible man to ever walk this earth. Second of all, out of all the places we've tried, he's the only one that's actually a chef. So I have higher standards for him than I do for Miss Mimi and Mr. Beast. You know what I'm saying? In the food category. Let's see what we got. Holy shit! Whoa, okay. Any like popcorn chicken style container, I'm all over. Okay, I'm here for the packaging. Oh, we got sauces. They didn't forget the sauce. That's quite possibly the most important part. You know, I have to say, I've never seen this brand of ketchup before, and both Mr. Beast and Guy Fieri have this. It's like the most generic, nameless brand ketchup ever. Coincidence? I think not. I'm on like a meat high right now. Here's what we're gonna try for the video. First up, these, I will say, Guy had the most intriguing menu by far. These are bacon wrapped jalapeno popper bite things. And I will say, I've never really had a jalapeno popper in my life before because I've always not liked jalapenos. But the past like 4 months, I've gotten very into them. So I'm excited to try my first official jalapeno popper. Bacon wrapped, fire roasted jalapenos stuffed with andouille, pimento cream cheese, glazed in bourbon brown sugar barbecue sauce. I don't know if I like pimento cheese, but we're about to find out. Here we go. Obviously, you need the ranch. Let's do a ranch test alone. Is this gonna be a good ranch or a bad ranch? Good ranch. Okay, we're off to a good start. They are a little juicy, and I'm not gonna be able to do this gracefully, so. Whoa! Woo! Oh my God. I'm gonna be honest, it's cold. That's one of the best things I've ever put in my mouth. Oh my God, Guy Fieri. He knew what he was doing. They're cold. They're amazing. Wow! You get the slightest kick from the jalapeno, just on like the back of the throat. Very small. The creaminess from the pimento cheese, the saltiness from the bacon, and then the sweetness from the sauce all work so well together. I wanna throw this in my air fryer and eat them all right now. Oh my God. I would put this in the top 5 things I've ever had delivered to my house. Food-wise, like so good. I knew to expect a lot from Guy, but I didn't know I could trust him this much. Yet again, America's sweetheart comes through. Now we've got high expectations, and this is their burger. Ooh. Here we have a Guy's burger, a little brioche bun moment, which we appreciate so much. It looks just very standard. We've got caramelized onions, the patty, raw onions, pickles, cheese, lettuce, tomato. Just looks like a very standard burger, but I do consider myself a burger connoisseur, so we will see. Nothing special. It's good. I think less than Mr. Beast burger, actually. I will say like the quality of these ingredients are better. The patty itself is thicker. The patty tastes a little bit better, and like in quality wise, I don't know. I liked the fries on Mr. Beast burger. I love a breakfast burger, as I stated. This is good if you're wanting a very standard burger, but nothing too special. Oh, I didn't rate them. I would rate the jalapeno poppers a 10 out of 10. I would rate this a 7 out of 10. Fine, but nothing crazy. And last but not least for this video, we are gonna be trying Guy Fieri fried pickle chips. I wonder if Cal wants to try with me because he loves a pickle. Cal! He might be in a meeting. Rock hard. This is Cal's dream. To be able to post up on the couch with a popcorn container full of fried pickles. Obviously, you need the ranch. Give it a good dip. I really do rate restaurants on their ranch. This is giving me like diner style, a little bit less soupy than diner. It's close, but not quite what I'm looking for. It might break a veneer. I'm not a fried pickle girl. These are fine. I like the crunch. It tastes like the outside of an onion ring, which I love an onion ring. Things like this are just a vessel to get ranch into your mouth. So if that is what you're looking for, then it does the job perfectly fine. Again, I do think they could be crisped up in an air fryer, oven, some sort. And if you like fried pickles, I think these might be good, but I just never reach for them. I do like the coating. I don't want to eat the rest. I'll just put it on the side. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a wonderful time. Don't forget to check out TikTok to see part 2 of all these restaurants, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.